Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. It's Chef Paul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we have a really important subject we need to talk about. Black garlic. Arr. It almost sounds like we're doing something piratey. And we kind of are, because we're going to cheat. Majorly cheat. Amy's favorite thing in the world is cheating.
Not.
A Monopoly.
No, that's you.
But seriously, this is a super healthy, amazing thing. And here's the problem. It's going to take 3 weeks to make. So by the time you're watching this is going to be between 3 to 4 weeks since we automatically made this.
Yeah.
So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. One small click from you means a lot to us. So normally I would like to have a lot more than this. I only got 4 cloves. It is what it is.
It's a start.
It's a start. But Poul, why would I want to slow my slow cooker down for 4 weeks? Like, why would I ever do that? Well, that's a good question, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I'm going to give you 8 reasons.
9.
Actually, 8.
Oh.
I'm going to give you 8 reasons why black garlic is super healthy. And then I'm going to tell you some uses for it. And then I'm going to tell you what we're going to use it for. Number 1, it decreases pathogens. So like the flu, viruses, stuff that gets into you makes you sick. I think it might even help if you had COVID. It's not going to cure, but it's going to help. So it's going to reduce the amount of pathogens that go into your body. If you suffer with arthritis, inflammatory issues, it majorly helps with that as well. I mean, I suffer with arthritis. I have it all through my body. Mm-hmm. So you know what? That might help me. I'm thinking it will. Mm-hmm. If you're diabetic, are you diabetic?
Yes, so are you.
I'm diabetic. So you know what? It's going to significantly decrease your insulin resistance. So what's that mean? So you ever have one of those days your body is just acting like a jerk and it's not accepting your insulin so much? It's going to take care of that for you. It's going to help your diabetes. Number 4, it's going to improve. It's actually going to improve your immune system. So you're somebody like Amy that looks the wrong way and then all of a sudden gets the flu or gets the cold. I'm joking, she doesn't.
No.
But if you're one of those people that have a bad immune system, this is really going to help you greatly. Number 5, and we read this in an article and it gave a few different points for the same thing, so I'm just putting it this way. It's nutrient rich. It's going to help and this is 5 and 6, it's going to help your body absorb nutrients, which you drink that OJ, it has a lot of nutrients in it, but sometimes your body doesn't actually grab all of it. This is going to help your body actually take all of the nutrients. And that's 5 and 6. 7. Studies say that it significantly decreases cancer.
Yeah.
So I like to believe everything I read, but you know what? I don't want cancer. Amy just had her day of mourning because her mother passed this time of year many months ago.
The end of the month.
End of the month.
It was right? Mother's Day.
But it's Mother's Day, and she misses her mom. She passed away from cancer, and hopefully Amy doesn't mind me saying that.
No.
So if someone's going to help you avoid getting cancer, I'll do it. Even if it's a small thing, doesn't matter. Black garlic will do that. And here's another big one. It decreases cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, high blood pressure, anything that has to do with cardiovascular. This actually helps it. Now, people use this as a spread to put over toast, eggs, or meals. I'm actually planning on making this into a powder so I can use this as a spice. I think it's going to be great.
Yeah.
Now, this is super easy to do, and honestly, I know this is going to hurt because I like my slow cooker.
Yeah.
But it's going to be almost a month.
It's going to be in use for a month.
Yeah. Which, is not going to be easy to do.
We're going to have to think of other meals to make.
There's other ways. A slow cooker is just the easiest thing for me to use for
Yeah.
a lot of things. You know what, guys? Honestly, if this actually works, I might buy a second slow cooker. I honestly probably will.
Yeah.
Like, this is going to be a really cool thing. I would really, you can get a pack of 3 at the grocery store for $1.
Less than that.
Less than that. Well, it's about $1 now, I think.
It was like 70 cents, wasn't it?
Yeah. Okay, but when we go grocery shopping next, I'm gonna buy a whole thing.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna build the whole thing up.
We
here.
should buy the whole big bag that they have.
Yeah, and we're gonna be making a load of this.
Yeah.
So first of all, I'm gonna find the plug, which is right here, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this
On low.
on warm actually.
Oh, yeah, it is, isn't it?
Just on warm. That's all we need. We just need this on warm. It may not look like a lot going on for quite a while, but when you open it up, it should be a black consistency. This can take anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit painful, but you know what? Put this in here, do this. I promise you that you're going to see results, and you know what? This might actually help your health in the long run. So you know what? We're gonna buy a huge thing of this, and we're gonna make a huge thing of it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make spices on this. Buy this fresh. If you come here and you see the purple right here, that's what you want if you can. So buy what you can, fill your whole thing up, and we'll be back in 3 weeks, and we'll see what we have. And welcome back. It's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks! We've been waiting for this. So this is our black garlic. And basically you take it out, you try one, see if it looks like this. If it does, you're good. If it doesn't, give it another week. This took us 2 weeks. It can take a month. Sometimes even longer. And we're going to make another batch. This time I'm going to wait a month and see what kind of difference we get. But
it worked.
It worked. And for the health value of it, I'm thinking this is going to be really, really good. I'm really excited to see what this tastes like.
Yeah.
And yes, our unit smells a lot like garlic. And you might think that's a bad thing, and maybe it is. But we're going to make this into a spice so that we can sprinkle this on certain things. And it's super healthy. I mean, it helps with your heart. It helps with a lot of different things. It's great. You just got to take your time and go through this and make sure you get all the bulbs out, because you literally waited
2 weeks.
2 weeks for this.
Or longer.
Or longer, yep. And you want to make sure that you're getting your money out of this. So I've got an empty spice container, and I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm not even going to make any food out of this today.
No.
I'm just showing you what we have here. Now this is what I usually use for grinding my coffee beans. Just give it a quick clean out. And Amy's really going to need to clean this out after.
Yeah, that's okay.
Because if you don't, then it's going to smell like... then
garlic.
Your coffee's going to taste like garlic, and some people might be alright with that. She's Dutch. She like a lot of weird things.
No.
But I don't want this in my coffee.
No.
But I'm going to let my slow cooker cool down for a couple hours, and then I'm going to put the rest in, and we're going to see how that works out. Just because I want a good supply of this.
We're going to put new in.
Yeah. Now,
start over.
After we were done showing you the last one here, this is our new slow cooker. It's really small, and to be honest with you, there's no way in hell anybody's going to use this for anything. Maybe a one-person meal, but I'm not one person. I've got Amy.
Yeah.
We can't survive on that. This is not what we're going to be using for our day-to-day use for our slow cooker. But if you want to do what we're doing, just get a cheap small one. That works good enough.
That's what we did.
Yeah. So yes, it is smaller than what we had before, but
it works.
We just turn it on, let it heat up for a little bit, and then transfer it. All right. So I'm gonna maybe I can just squeeze this in.
Yeah. And that's just for, that's for clothes.
It's 6, isn't it?
No, I think we just used 4.
Okay.
So here's a moment of truth. Just gonna let this go for a little bit because we want this to be a powder.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
And that's your powder.
Look at that.
That is garlic.
Huh.
And if you walk into my house and you can't tell this is garlic, there's a problem.
It smells.
It really has a strong garlic smell.
Yes.
And you know what? And from here, I'm just gonna, I'll show you one little bit here. And no, needs a little bit more. Just make sure you put your spoon through there and make sure that you're getting it all, because you don't want clumps.
Oh, wow. Does that ever smell?
And this is a really good investment. If you have a good coffee maker, sometimes the best coffee you can get come in beans, not pre-ground, and you're better off with stuff that comes in beans anyways, because it's just better quality. So what do we got here? Is this all good? It's all good. It looks good to me. So you just put this in here, and now you can put a little bit on your eggs, a little bit on your meat. You don't need to overload it.
No.
But if you go on Amazon and look at this,
Smaller spoon would probably be better, hon.
I think this is a small spoon.
No, it isn't.
All right. But if you go on Amazon, you're going to pay like $20, $30 for a small amount. And honestly, this is a really, really easy way to do, because you can get like 3 garlic for $1 at the grocery store.
Yeah.
And then you just have to take time to let it cook. And that was basically it. Like, I'm sure there's other chefy things you can do to make it taste or make it a little better, I guess. But I'm pretty happy with this. This is really, really good. I'm really impressed. And to be honest with you, that's all you need. I mean, because this is filling up a pretty big spice container.
Yeah.
So I think this is really, really good this way. Just what we're going to do is I'm going to take a piece of paper, and then I'm going to write
Change the name
black
on
garlic and then tape it over so you know what it is.
Yeah.
Because otherwise Amy's going to get confused and think this is chives. Chives not something I like in spice format. I like actually buying real chives.
Yeah.
It's just better. So anyways, that's our 2-week adventure. We'll be right back to making a little bit more in about maybe an hour's time. I hope you like this. I hope you try this. Save yourself some money. Save your health. This is really important to do. I hope you like it. But anyways, until next time, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And this is one simple thing you can do to make cooking great again.